Hi guys, Elliot from Valet Pro. Welcome to another product video. Today we're going to be showing you our brand new ceramic coating, 24 Plus. So what is 24 Plus? 24 Plus is a ceramic coating. In short, a ceramic coating is a blend of silicons and solvents. So this is a protection product. The good thing about this one is its longevity. So this lasts 24 months plus, where a wax will only last 3 to 4 months. This will still give you the gloss and the depth, but not as strong as a wax would. This is ideal for someone that's on a daily driver or the working professional that doesn't have that much spare time to clean their car. So important things to note when applying the coating: it needs to be done indoors in a well-ventilated area out of direct sunlight. The vehicle you're working on needs to be washed, decontaminated, and at least a single stage polish so that you know that the paintwork is prepped and ready for the coating to go onto. We're now going to demonstrate how to apply the ceramic coating. The vehicle's already been washed, decontaminated and polished. The last step is the most vital step, and that's going to be to apply some panel wipe. This is to remove any polishing oils and residue that's left over from the polishing stage, and this will give us a nice base for the coating to go onto. So we've got our panel wipe. I'm just going to do a couple of sprays on the panel. And then just a clean cloth, just wipe in straight lines. Now you've got a nice clean fresh panel ready for the coating to be applied to. So we've taken all the necessary precautions to prepare the panel ready for coating. So now's the fun bit, we're going to apply the coating. So we recommend that you do it in 40 by 40 centimetre squares. So in this case with this door we can just split it into 4 bits. This is just to allow you even working coverage and the best application. So this is a brand new bottle, so I'm just going to flip it 3 times. So just when you get it, you've got your fresh suede on your applicator block. You just want a few drops in a line across there, and that will give you enough for your panel. Pop the lid back on when you're not using it, and in a safe place. And then we're going to apply it in cross-hatch motions in our 40 centimetre squares. And now we'll just wait for it to flash. In lower temperatures, it's going to take slightly longer to flash. In sort of higher temperatures, then you should have a good 30 to 40 seconds working time. So get yourself a new clean microfiber towel, fold it into some quarters if you can. You'll see that the coating's cured because you'll get a sort of rainbow oil slick effect. We're not putting too much pressure on because we're not buffing the coating, we're just leveling the coating. And then we'll just go on with light pressure, and we just wipe the coating side to side. Flip the towel, and then just go slightly over where you've been. You'll feel on the panel where the coating is because it will go from sort of smooth, and you'll just feel a little bit of resistance.